Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I haven't been posting anything in a while now, and to make it up to you, I made this quick video about the latest updates regarding this channel. I took some time off in order to create better quality content and also to make sure I can provide you with lots of well-analyzed informations. And that's not all, I have some exciting news as well. We have officially increased our team and have Andrew with us now, providing technical and fundamental analysis. We will post his videos both on YouTube and our official Patreon channel. Speaking of Patreon, you can find our Patreon link in the description of this video, and once you go to it, it will look something like this. For those of you who are more on the fundamental analysis side, you will find more of this type of content on our Patreon channel and will also help us by supporting our work there. Besides the fundamental analysis videos, Andrew will also post some of his trades on cryptocurrencies like these ones, hoping that it will help all of you cryptocurrency lovers to learn more about technical analysis and also create a strong community through helping each other. If you enjoy our content and want to help us grow, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Also click that notification bell so you can be notified at all times when a new video comes out. You will also be able to find us on TikTok, where we will post short videos with useful information about new or upcoming projects, so make sure to stay tuned on there as well when it comes out. We hope you are as excited as we are about all of these major changes we decided to take in order to make this channel flourish and become as helpful as possible. If you have any suggestions regarding our channel's upgrade, make sure to leave them in a comment down below. That's about it for today, guys. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, make sure to subscribe, and stay tuned. See you in the next video.